Welcome to Practice English Conversations. Are you ready to practice your English and become more fluent? Let's get started.
Hi, Rachel. How are you today?
Hi, Victor. I'm doing well, thank you. How about you?
I'm fine. Thanks. I was thinking about going to see that new movie this weekend, and I wanted to ask if you would like to come with me.
That sounds like a good idea. I have been waiting for a new movie to watch. Which movie do you want to see?
I want to see The Lost Adventure. I heard it is a fun action movie with a lot of surprises.
I've seen some trailers for it. They look very exciting. What time does it start?
I checked online and it shows at 7:30 p.m. There are several show times, but 7:30 is the best for me.
Great. Do you know the ticket price?
Yes, I looked it up. The ticket costs $12 for an adult seat. There is also a discount for students, but I think we both pay the regular price since I'm not sure of your student status.
Actually, I am a student, so I might get a discount if I show my student ID.
Oh, that's good to know. I will ask the ticket clerk if there is a student discount.
Sure. So, are you planning to buy the tickets online or at the counter?
I prefer to buy them online to save time. I checked the cinema website, and it lets you choose your seats. Do you like to choose your own seat?
Yes, I do. I like to sit in the middle so I can see the screen clearly.
Me too. I will try to reserve 2 seats in the center of the theater.
That sounds perfect. Once we get the tickets, we can meet at the cinema before the show starts.
Right. Let's plan to meet at the cinema entrance at 7:15 p.m. That will give us time to buy snacks if we want.
I love popcorn and a drink when I watch a movie. I usually get a small popcorn and a soda.
Me too. I also like to have some chocolate or candy with my popcorn.
Great. I'm really excited now. After we watch the movie, we can talk about it and share our opinions.
Yes, I always enjoy discussing the movie afterwards. It helps me understand the story better and learn what others thought about it.
Exactly. I often ask my friends, "What did you like about the movie?" Or, "Did you find it exciting?"
So let's review our plan. We will buy our tickets online, reserve seats in the center, and meet at the cinema at 7:15 p.m. Then we will enjoy some snacks and watch The Lost Adventure at 7:30 p.m.
That's right. I will also bring my student ID to see if I can get a discount.
Good idea. I'm glad we planned this together. I'll go ahead and purchase the tickets right now. Hi, Rachel. I have bought our tickets online. We have 2 center seats for The Lost Adventure at 7:30 p.m. Please remember to bring your student ID if you want a discount. See you at 7:15 at the cinema entrance.
Thanks, Victor. I got it. I'll see you at 7:15.
Hi, Rachel. It's great to see you in person.
Hi, Victor. I'm excited about the movie. The weather is nice, and I love going out on a clear night.
Yes, the evening is perfect. Let's go inside and get some snacks before the movie.
I'll have a small popcorn and a medium soda, please.
I'll have the same and also a box of chocolates, if possible.
Sure, that will be $15 in total. Would you like a receipt?
Yes, please.
These seats are very comfortable. I'm glad we chose the middle row.
I agree. It is easy to see the screen from here.
Wow, that was an exciting movie. I really enjoyed the action scenes and the story twists.
I agree. The Lost Adventure was full of surprises. I like the part when the hero found the hidden treasure. It was very thrilling.
Yes, and the special effects were great. I felt like I was part of the adventure.
Did you think the ending was happy? I found it a bit surprising.
I did. It was a good ending because it showed that hard work and friendship can overcome challenges.
That is a positive message. I also liked the music in the movie. It really added to the excitement.
I remember a scene where the music was very soft, and then it became very loud during the chase. It made my heart race.
Exactly. I also noticed that the characters were very brave and kind. It makes me think that we can face difficulties if we work together.
Yes, I feel inspired by that. I think movies like this remind us to be courageous in our own lives.
I agree. So, what did you think about the ticket price and the overall experience?
I think the price was reasonable. I enjoyed every moment from the comfortable seats to the tasty snacks. The cinema was clean and the sound system was excellent.
I felt the same way. The ticket price of $12 is good for such a high-quality movie experience. The staff were friendly and the theater was well maintained.
Do you think you will see more movies at this cinema?
Yes, definitely. I love the atmosphere here. I might even invite some more friends next time.
That would be fun. I like discussing movies with friends. It makes the experience even more memorable.
I also plan to check the online reviews before buying tickets next time. They can sometimes help me decide which movie to see.
That's true. I often read the reviews to see if the movie matches my taste.
By the way, did you get a discount with your student ID?
Yes, I did. It saved me about $2 on the ticket price. It's always nice to get a little discount as a student.
That's great. Every bit of saving helps, especially when you go out often.
I agree. I'm happy with our decision to see this movie. It was fun and the experience was great.
I feel the same. It was an enjoyable evening. I hope we can do this again soon.
Yes, I'd love to go to another movie or event with you in the future.
Let's exchange contacts so we can plan our next outing.
Sure, here is my number. I'll text you later.
Great, I'll save your number. Thank you for a wonderful evening, Rachel.
Thank you, Victor. I had a great time discussing the movie and sharing our thoughts.
I'm glad. Enjoy the rest of your night, and I look forward to our next movie outing.
You too, Victor. Have a good night and see you soon.
Goodbye, Rachel.
Goodbye, Victor.
Great job practicing with us today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next English conversation. See you in the next video. Keep practicing and stay confident.